As we are returning to the West Coast in Arlington this weekend, that means we need a little bit of an injury update, and that's obviously going to include a pro circuit racer, and this time being Drew Adams. Now, obviously, if you missed it in Glendale, he had a crash in qualifying, broke his collarbone, has subsequently had surgery, and now we are here. From his Instagram as of today, saying, quote, "As most of you probably know, I had a crash at Glendale in Q1. I had surgery the following week and did everything I could to be ready for Arlington. I tried riding this week, and while I could go fast for a few laps, I just didn't feel like I could maintain that pace for the whole race. I think it's best to keep building strength and come back when I'm 100% so I don't risk making things worse. Big thanks to Kawasaki, Pro Circuit, and everyone who's given me this opportunity, and I'm putting in the work to show them I'm the right choice for the future." Now, obviously, he is the fill-in rider because, well, the West Coast for them got really screwed up, considering what Kitchen was supposed to race the West. He ended up getting sick, so they moved him over to the East, which left just Marchbanks on the West Coast. He got hurt. They had the fill-in rider of Masterpool come over for the West Coast the next week. He lasted all of half of a night and got hurt also. So you've got was it Masterpool with a broken hand or broken fingers. You've got Marchbanks with fractured shoulder and some ligament damage, and now you've got Drew Adams with a broken collarbone and subsequent healing from the surgery. So Pro Circuit, really bad year so far. I mean, you can even go to the East Coast with McAdoo, and it really just shows that they are having a horrible year. The injuries for them, along with a lot of teams, are not exactly great right now, and there's a lot of them. And well, it sucks. I mean, but I will have to say, for Drew Adams, this is probably really smart. For a young kid that he is, he is going to be, like he says, looking towards the future. He is the youngest guy in this squad, the future of this squad. There's literally no reason to put him back out there when if he doesn't feel like he's 100% and he doesn't feel, correct and right doing it because what's the point? He's already a fill-in rider. He's already out of the championship. This year at best was going to be an experience year. He's raced one qualifying and got hurt. So for all intents and purposes, keep him out. Let him heal fully, train for motocross, make a full run at that. But there's no point in pushing this. Like you said, maybe getting hurt worse. If your collarbone's hurt, your shoulder's weak, you end up in the whoops or something, crashing and damaging again, having to have another surgery or even a worse surgery. It's not exactly worth it. I mean, this year for that team is a waste, kind of sadly to say. But hopefully he can. Hopefully he can heal up fully. He can make a run at motocross this year, and he can be, next year we can retry the whole supercross thing again. Hopefully not get injured, have not the throw some salt over their shoulder. I don't know what you gotta do. Spin 3 times, do whatever they gotta to get rid of this curse because I mean it's sad to see how many of these guys, especially just from one team, are getting injured every single year. And I don't know. But as we are going into Arlington, I want to hear from you guys. Who do you think is gonna win? Obviously, we're going back out west, so that means Deegan, Jordan Smith, Beaumare, see how Shimoda's fingers are healing, and Cole Davies, the rookie for over there, who is, well, for all intents and purposes, looking really good. So that's what I'm asking you guys. Comment down below. Who do you think is going to win? Who do you think is going to win that title? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.